How to post on Twitter or X app. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to post on Twitter or X app. Watch the video till the end, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Twitter or X application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, once you're on this home screen of X or Twitter, select the plus button at bottom right corner of the screen. Here you will get multiple options. Simply you have to choose post. Then you will get access to this post page where you can simply add any kind of text or messages by typing on what's happening section. Even you can add emojis as well. Or if you wish to add images, you can simply select the image icon and select any kind of image. Further, if you want to add the GIF, you can select the GIF icon and select any GIF you'd like to. Also, if you wish to add location, select on the location icon and you can select enable to add a location to your post. If you wish everyone can reply, you can edit it, or you can simply select and you can simply choose who can reply. Once done, you can also select on the plus button at bottom right corner and add another post as well. If you wish to tag people, you can select tag people icon and tag any user on your post. Once you are done with your post, select the post button at top right corner and successfully post on Twitter. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.